Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your GIGABYTE G7 without a Microsoft account. So you may notice that there is Microsoft account shown on the screen, and this video is gonna be for those that don't want to use it or those that don't want to use internet at all. So you can also just use it without the internet. And what's important is to not be connected to Wi-Fi before that. And if you've started the setup, you've already connected, then you should walk away from the router so far that it just doesn't connect anymore. And if you didn't skip, there wasn't an option by default. There wasn't an option to skip Wi-Fi, and we are gonna just enable that option. So what we should do is click on SHIFT and F10 on your keyboard to bring up the command prompt. Then focus on the window, so you should press on the top and then type in OOBE / bypass and a row, like that, and click on enter. It'll restart your computer. And as I said, it's important to walk away from the router if you're already connected, or don't connect at all. And you should walk away from the router before you type in that command. If it reconnects to the Wi-Fi during this process right now, then it'll unfortunately still ask you for the Microsoft account. So if it reconnects after entering the command, you can either enter the command again, but make sure you really don't have the internet access through either a cable or Wi-Fi, and only enter that command after you're sure you don't have internet access anymore and it won't be able to reconnect. And now we're back in the setup process. So you need to select the country or region again, click on yes, then select keyboard layout, click on yes, and you can add another layout or skip it. And now it asks you to connect to network, and the I don't have internet button has just appeared after entering that command. So click on I don't have internet. Now enter the name of the user that's gonna use the computer. Now you can also create the password for your account. So I'm gonna create it. It's best to do it. You can skip it by just leaving this field blank, but I wouldn't recommend that. Now let's confirm that and add 3 security questions, which I highly recommend answering truthfully, because in case you forget your password to the account, then you'll need to provide answers to these security questions. So if you answer them truthfully, you'll just won't forget the answers to these questions. And also there's quite a big enough list that you can select the questions that you know you'll for sure remember the security answers to. So if there's something you may forget, maybe don't select that, select something else. Then you can find some privacy settings, select them however you feel like, click on accept, and wait until your account gets configured. And now your Windows is set up. This was pretty quick and pretty simple, way simpler than setting it up with the Microsoft account. And if you really want in the future, you can sign in with a Microsoft account, but it's just not mandatory anymore. And I hope this video helped you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.